green or hunter green. Forest green is more like a green, like a darker green, and hunter green is like a little bit brighter. So I'm just showing you, just like if you are having a new collections, or if you are having the first collection of 29 colors, or either one, it works the best for the Blossom Gel. Oh my gosh, it's spilling on my hand and it's got everywhere. I hope this, I'm good. All right, and I'm gonna get one more colors. Is the newest one is Sparkly Rose Gold. Okay, just like them like that. And I have the Blossom Gel. This one will create is really fun and a lot of cool fun nail art. And if you want your design to be really spreading really fast, you can definitely apply some more Blossom Gels on and get a little bit thicker layer, but not too thick. You don't want to be really thick. Then it's gonna spread really fast. But if you want it to be spread slow, then you apply a thinner coat. So I'm gonna using the crystal picker in the other end with dot tool. So I'm gonna just give it a little swirl. And we are going to pick some of this up with the tinter brush. I'm going to get this part. Okay. And you can do it however you want. The pattern doesn't have to be is necessary what patterns you're gonna play with. You can really count on the Blossom Gel. It will create this fun, stunning look for you. I'm gonna etch gently. So just like tap it on. Instead of yours like brush it, you don't want to brush it because you're going to brush off all of your Blossom Gel. And let it do its own magics. Okay. So let it spread. Wipe it off. Hello everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. So we're doing some cool fun fall looks right now. Using the original 29 color from a Glitz Gel polish, or the newest collection with the 6 color from Autumn Love. So you let it spread to however you would like, and just keep spreading it. Then we are going to key it. Let me see. I'm going to try to add some a little bit. I'm going to do some crystal placement on it, so the perfect to add some just a little touch from a glitter. Okay, here. For 60 seconds. Make sure you pinch your brush, so then it's remove all the excess gels or gel polish or blossom gels, anything, and glue gel, so then that the brush will stay nice in the same form. And you can also using the no wipe top coat or the base gels to clean that, to release all that pigments from the bristle, and then pinch it, so then that's way it's gonna remove all the excess ones. So that's just one of the way to keep your brush will last a long time. So coming to this ones, I'm gonna do some just really simple